This video demonstrates how to use the built-in HTML editor. There are many places in the site that take advantage of this editor. For example, if you're creating a lesson and you want to enter the main content of the lesson, then when you click the Add option, it will open up the HTML editor. And by default, you get some nice dynamic help here, but I'm going to close that help for right now. Now, when you use the editor, clearly you can just enter plain text. So here is some text. And when you hit the Enter key, it'll automatically create a new paragraph. Here is some more text. And if you just want to go to the next line and not create a paragraph, hold down the Shift key and press Enter. And here is the next line. If you want to adjust things like bolding or fonts, for example, select the text and then click the appropriate option. So B is for bold, I is for italic. You can select a font. You can change the format. So for example, here I might want to select a particular heading type. I might want to change the size of the font here to be medium and italic. So it's very easy to create kind of jazzy fonts here. Second of all, if you want to actually edit the HTML directly, you can always press the source key. And that actually shows you the raw HTML. So if you're an HTML wizard, you can actually edit it directly here. And similarly, if you want to embed widgets from third-party sites, then normally you should click on the source button, embed the HTML, and then unclick source to see the embedded widget. Now, once you've actually created some text, it's very easy to also embed things like images, videos, links to files. So for example, if I want to add a link to a web page, click on this link option, put in the URL. In this case, I'm putting the URL of the Edu2O site, and this embeds here directly a link to the actual site. If I want to upload a file and have a link to it, I click on this attachment icon. Then I can pick the file that I want to include. So in this case, it's a PDF file. And then I click on OK. And what it does is it uploads the PDF file to our system securely, and then embeds a link to the file you just uploaded. So if anyone reads this and click on that link, they will actually then get access to the PDF file. If you want to embed an image, you click on this icon. You select the image from your computer. So in this case, a logo. Click Continue. And then if you want to, you can resize it. So I'm going to resize this to make it smaller, just 200 pixels. I'm going to put a black border around it and then save it. And then here is my logo embedded in my page. And then one of the cool things you can do, you can embed links to things like YouTube videos, and we'll actually automatically embed it for you. So for example, if I click on this link icon here and put the URL to a YouTube video, simple URL, then although you will just see the link here, see what happens when I actually save this. See, when I save the content now, our system's actually smart enough to dynamically embed the YouTube video straight into your HTML document. So as you can see, it's very, very easy using the editor to create regular text, change their fonts, change their heading size, and also directly embed files, links, images, and videos.